Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make egg mayonnaise sandwiches. The ingredients I need: 3 eggs, 3 tablespoon mayonnaise, salt according to your taste, and salad crust. And bread I'm using wholemeal. You can use white. So let's start our sandwiches. Mash eggs like this. So the eggs are ready. 3 tablespoon mayonnaise. You can add more than this if you like more mayonnaise. Small amount of salad crust. So let's mix it properly. So our filling is ready. Need a small amount of mayonnaise on the both sides. These sandwiches are all time my favorite sandwiches. So I hope you will try them. A thick layer. Thick layer of boiled eggs, salad crust, salt and mayo. Now our creamy and tasty egg mayonnaise sandwich with the salad crust are ready. So I hope you will enjoy them on the upcoming Sunday, and send me your opinion in the comments, and please share and like my recipes, my sandwiches, and subscribe my channel and press bell icon so you will get a new recipes day by day. Thank you. Bye bye.